The bear was yeah, so we just get it, you know, okay? You just cut my and also okay, so this is only done so what it contains interesting and that it contains my house is something like this. I'm not taking a visit club on the floor, but I'm just going to put them somewhere. Today is kind of like an update. So today I'm going to you. What's I like it. It's yeah, I basically I have school, so yeah, I'm just going to shoot I'm just going to put this screen on. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. Oh bro, wrong space. Oh my god, sorry guys, I keep putting this yeah, that was something happened. Bruh. Okay, sorry. I'll be sorry that I keep pausing. I'm talking to my little sister. I'm sorry for pausing too much times. So yeah, there's something. Oh, bro! Like, what I hate when that happens. My stuff keeps going in the wrong freaking space. Now I'm just going to put my headphones and water bottle. I have my stuff. All my stuff. I'm probably going to put my I should have named this. Regular flour. I'm just going to put 2 different bags today because I'm not going to leave my wallet because it's just a different day. Okay, I'm going to bring this because I'm going to get to the sword after when I come back. Do not, please do not fly. I have so much but that because I have like so much stuff to bring back, so yeah. And I cannot forget my importance. Just in case. I'm just going to check if it's actually moving. Where's my umbrella? Oh yeah, okay. Cool. Okay, finally it stopped raining. So let me just go. So now I'm gonna put my backpack in the water. So my bag. Where's my bag? Where is it? There. My Mr. Ferguson. So blah 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 blah. So then A plus A equals something, wouldn't it? Right? So then yeah, blah blah. Yeah, class is over. Bye. Bye, Mr. Ferguson. Have a great day, Mr. Ferguson. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. And rate my house 1 through 10.